When it comes to summer fashion, I have got you covered. I have high-end looks for less. Everything I talk about here today will be linked down below in that description box, and it's all from Amazon. If you are brand new here, I am 41 years young, 5'7", and I have 4 kids ages 5 through 12, and I am a full-time working mama, so I like to put together, although I have limited time. If you're watching from your TV or your iPad, you can scan the QR code on screen, and it will take you to everything in this video. I'm going to start with these super cute high-end look for less summer tops, and then we're going to move into shoes. I have dress shoes in case you're going out for a date night or you have something planned like a baby shower or a wedding, comfy shoes, everything. I am obsessed with this white and red striped shirt, the 3/4 length. This is super comfortable, very casual. Also, the back on here is so adorable. Look at that cute bow. You think it's just a plain old striped shirt from the front, but on the back you have this really gorgeous bow. I love this paired with jeans, a white pair of pants, a white pair of capris. You could dress this up or you could leave this completely casual. This is also perfect for the 4th of July and grilling and barbecuing and all the fun things that we do in the summer. You know me, I cannot get enough when it comes to my button downs because they're so easy, throw and go, and you just automatically look more elevated and more expensive than you probably actually paid for the piece. This feels so good on the body. I love this light pink color. Of course, I needed to cuff the sleeves because it's just how I like to wear it. What's nice about this is almost wrinkle resistant to a certain degree, especially when it comes to a button down, but you can leave this completely open. You could half tuck it. You could completely tuck it in and make it more business if you have a meeting or something going on that day. Maybe you have a conference or a work event, or maybe you are just hanging out by the lakes, enjoying a drink, a lemonade, a cocktail, and you're living your best life. This next tank top's so gorgeous. I love the square neck on it, and you can also see these really beautiful ribs. What's nice about this is it's very stretchy, but it's also longer, so you can leave it untucked, but if you prefer, you could also tuck it in for a more refined look. If I wanted a more refined look, I would wear this with some white shorts, probably not like a linen, although the linen that I'm wearing are very comfortable. Perhaps a dressier short with a belt, some really cute pumps, more to come on those, but love this color. I did not yet have this in my closet, and I'm so happy that I got this. This is also a great day to night transition piece. You can wear this to the office or if you have meetings with a blazer over top, and then you just take that blazer off and you live your cutest self on that date night. I showed this in the last video, but it was in the gray, black, white genre of color. This one here is in the blue and white. I love this, giving me very much East Coast vibes. When it comes to button down, short sleeve is perfect for the summer. I also love the cuff here on the sleeve. You can leave this completely open, half tuck it. You could tie it in the front. This would also make a great beach cover up should you want to. Super quick, if you're enjoying this video, will you please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that it can reach more people. This sweater I love so much. I got it in the white version, and here I got it in this light pink and cream version. This is so cute. I put it on with my white shorts. This would also look great with jean shorts or a white pair of capris. You can really elevate this or leave this completely casual depending upon how you style it and the shoes that you wear it with, but just love this color combination. This next piece, high and look for less. In fact, it's a Free People inspired top, but this is by the brand Pretty Garden on Amazon, which I absolutely love because they have tons of sizing, tons of color options. By the way, if you do not like the color that I'm showing you here today, chances are there's an alternative color on Amazon. So make sure you click that link in the description box below because it will take you to everything with pictures and sizing. And also just a fun little behind the scenes secret. If you visit my Amazon storefront, amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1, I'll also link it down below, and you click on photos, you will see me in all of these pieces linked together. So in fact, that's probably the easiest way to shop is through my Amazon storefront. So if you see something here, click the link down below or go to the Amazon storefront. I post on Amazon before I post anywhere else. So you're always going to be in the know of what's up and coming. Back to this beautiful eyelet top. It ties here in the front at 2 bows. Now I just wore a nude bra. You're going to see some similar variations of this coming up here, and I think that it looks beautiful, but it also looks really nice with just a nude tank top if you want a little bit more discreet, a little bit more closure. In fact, if I was going out in public to do something with my daughter or something for dance or just momming life, you know what I mean, running errands, I would wear a nude tank top underneath or a white tank top. At the age of 41, I'm just not all about like bearing it all, if you know what I mean. Moving into this white and pink striped button down, but this is a little bit more lightweight, and I love the cuffs here. So adorable. Also beautiful ruffle here on the neck, giving those romantic vibes, which are very popular, very girly, very on trend. And when I say on trend, those things are always timeless. But right now, they're just hotter than ever. Leave this completely open, a white tank top, a white pair of shorts, your favorite white sneakers, maybe even a white baseball hat. I love white. It's so airy and crisp in the summer, and it's also going to keep you cooler. Oh my word, this next tank top I am obsessed with. I do not have a ton of orange in my closet. So many fun things. We have the pinstripes here with the orange and the white, also spaghetti straps. This is going to keep you so nice and cool on those hot summer days. Very airy, very effortless. And look at the beautiful embroidered detail here on the front. Also V-neck. So if you want to style this with some of your favorite jewelry, you can definitely showcase it. And it has these faux buttons here on the front for just a little added touch of interest. This next top, I was like looking at it on the hanger. I don't know. I'm not too excited about it. Will this yellow look good on me? And I don't really care. I absolutely love this. This is by the brand Dakatu, and I'm just loving these knit tops. By the way, high-end looks for less. Think Ann Taylor, Ever Eve, but you're getting these for a fraction of the cost and in multiple color variations. I love this yellow. This could be a great beach cover up, but it could be an everyday wear piece. I debated whether to wear this or this. I'm going to my daughter's dance recital sort of practice thing, so I'm going to be around lots of other dance moms and lots of other women, and we maybe go to dinner, and I thought, is it this one or this one? But I just love this. It just makes me so happy, this beautiful yellow color. This next one is a Dior inspired top. I wore it without a tank top underneath. I just have a nude bra so that you could fully see what it looks like. It is nice, lightweight, and airy. This is a timeless piece in your closet. If you want to look more expensive than what you paid, this is a piece for it. I love this paired with anything white, but you could also do this with jean shorts or a nice pair of denim. I'm thinking baby shower, shopping, and lunching. This next button down I own in several different color options, but not yet this beautiful green version. I've been obsessed with the green lately. Something about it is just speaking to me like, yes. Also, fun fact, this button down actually has pockets on it, which is very fun. Now, how I would wear this is maybe with some jean shorts, white shorts like I'm showing here, but I would leave this completely open more often than not with a white tank top underneath. If it gets a little bit warmer during the day in the summertime, you can take this off, but you can put it on easily if you go in a store. I know grocery stores are freezing in the summertime, or if you're going out to a restaurant, they tend to be a bit cooler depending if you're dining inside or outside. You can also wear this in the morning time if you're taking your dog for a walk, you're going for a walk. So cute. This next high-end look for less, giving me Western vibes, timeless piece. I love this. This fit so nicely. And if I did not mention, everything that I got here today is in the size small, and I am 5'7". On the back, you can adjust this so you can give yourself a little bit more room should you want to, or if you want to snatch and cinch that waist, you certainly can. It has 3 buttons on the front. I love the nice thick straps. You could wear this with a white t-shirt underneath should you want to. I think that's also a really cute look, like a white flowy effortless skirt with it, but you could also wear this just in and of itself like I did with a nude bra. This next one is a Free People look for less by the brand Dakatu, which I love. They have so many fun color options, lots of different sizing. I love this purple and pink with the block orange on it. And fun fact, the hem on this is a little bit higher on the front, which is nice. It gives you sort of a more refined look when it comes to this style of shirt. This is a little bit thicker material, but not too thick for summer depending upon where you are. And this color combination, just yes. This next knit vest, so cute. Again, I just wore it with a nude bra underneath, but you could certainly put something under, which I absolutely would depending upon where I'm going, but I wanted you to just totally see it in its raw form. I love this yellow color. Now this is going to be a bit of a warmer one, so I would wear this if you are going to be inside for the majority of day in air conditioning. If it's a little bit cooler in the morning or cooler in the evening, or even for a date night, you could have a lot of fun when it comes to this, like white shorts, really fun block heel, or even some ballet flats. This next knit top I saw on the hanger, and I wasn't totally impressed by it, but when I put it on and looked in the mirror, I was like, I love this. 3/4 sleeve. I love all the blue, very patriotic, perfect for the summer, but it also is knitted, so it's gonna leave you cooler, which is nice, especially because of the material. I love all the blue combinations here, very refreshing, reminds me of the ocean, reminds me of the lake, very effortless, free, and fun. Free People look for less. Now this is also by the brand Dakatu. This is a much thinner material. I love the block coloring here with sort of this tomato red, which is very popular Lululemon launched their tomato red, I don't know if that's what they're calling it, line. So you know, I had to dip my toes in it, but I love it paired here with this beautiful green, sort of a brown color. This effortless, put this with some biker shorts, some jean shorts, really cute pair of ballet flats or your favorite sneakers when it comes to summer, going to a baseball game. In fact, every weekend I'm at a baseball game. Several times per week I'm at soccer games. And if it's not that, I'm schlepping my two daughters in between dance. So much fun, but I love having a variety of different outfit options because as you can tell, well, I'm kind of here, there, and everywhere, which is really fun. I'm going to be so sad when my kids get older and they're all grown. And thank goodness I love my husband so much. We've been together for like, I don't know, gosh, like 25 years, 30 years, I don't know, quite a long time. So, you know, there's that. I don't even want to think about that. I cannot even think about my kids leaving the house yet, but I know the time will come. But I just remind myself when it gets crazy, like, I'm going to miss this, you know? Let me know in the comments box if you've experienced this, if you are experiencing this. This next tank I showed in the last video, but here it is in that red version. It's so pretty. I love the keyring detail here with the gold accents. This looks so refined. I also love the neck. You could zip it all the way up if you wanted to, but I like it zipped down, especially in the summertime. Showcase some of your favorite jewelry. This is great for a date night, but also for everyday wear. Perfect for the 4th of July, grilling, barbecuing. This top, viral, perfect all year round, especially in the summertime. Great for a beach cover up because it is oversized. I love the black coloring on this, sort of this peachy light pink with the white, this beautiful gray blue color. I just cuffed the sleeves here. You can leave this completely open, pair it with your favorite pair of shorts, a tank top, something comfortable on your feet, and you're ready to go. You can take on anything. You're gonna look cute. You're gonna look more elevated. You're gonna look like you paid more money than you actually did when it comes to these. And last but not least, this gorgeous knit top. I'm obsessed with this. Is this the one that I'm going to be wearing for the remainder of the day? Most likely. In fact, it's about 90 degrees or close to it here in Minnesota, and this is still cool enough. I just have a nude bra underneath, and I don't know, I love this. I love the color combination. I love how it feels. It's a high-end look for less. It makes me happy. If I saw this piece on someone else, I probably would be like, where did you get that top, girl? I gotta know. I gotta know. If you want to look more elevated, this is the top, but if you want to look more casual, this is the top. Literally throw this on. You could wear a nude tank top underneath, a white tank top. You could accentuate some of the colors in this shirt should you want to. Now, let's move into some really fun shoe options when it comes to summer. Oh my word, I am obsessed with these sandals. They're by the brand Cushioner. They make great sandals, very comfortable, excellent quality. These are Hermes inspired. You can see right here, but these are going to go with so many different things. A very comfortable, a very elevated flip-flop, if you will, which I love when it comes to summer. This is sort of a Birkenstock inspired sandal, but I love the braided detail right here. A little different, a little bit more interest. This is by the brand Dream Pairs, and I own so many of their shoes, which you know if you've been here for quite some time, because they're comfortable. They come in basically every style. If you're looking for a high-end look for less, Dream Pairs has basically made the shoe for you, but these super versatile. I'm going to be living in these this summer. These next ones, you've seen these before when it comes to filming, but I love these for everyday wear. I love the clear straps. You can elevate this. You can wear this for every day. These are my favorite shoes to film in and wear because it elongates the leg, because it's clear, it's muted here, so it makes your legs look longer, and they're very comfortable. Moving into these slip-on tennies, I did not own a pair of these, especially when it comes to white. You just want to quickly put on a crisp white pair of tennis shoes. I have a lot of shoe hacks when it comes to keeping your shoes white, so I do like to keep them crisp if I can. They are like faux tied, if you will. You can see right here. So fun, so comfortable, great cushion on these. I mean, you could shop in these, you could walk around, you can schlep your kids anywhere that you need to go. These nude and clear wedge shoes, so cute. Look at these. These are really gonna lengthen the legs. They're gonna show off your calf muscles, your leg muscles. If you've been working on your fitness all throughout the winter and into the summer, or doing more walking in the summer, I know many of us are, myself included. I love these. These Sam Edelman jellies, I've been seeing these viral all around the interwebs, particularly on Instagram, from ladies who have millions of followers. I had to give them a whirl, and I love them. You can see here the toe looks sort of like a ballet point shoe. If you go to Nordstrom's, you're going to see something very similar from Chanel Chanel for thousands of dollars. Sam Edelman makes high quality shoes. I love these. These are my go-to jellies this summer. This next sandal, I believe, is a #1 bestseller. These are by the brand Project Cloud. I own a ton of their shoes as well because, again, very much like Dream Paris, they have pretty much everything in all different sizing options. You can put these on, they go with so many different things. And there's a nice little cushion right here, which is great, especially when it comes to a flat sandal such as this one. A Birkenstock, look for less. This is by the brand Cushionaire. Again, very comfortable. I love this beautiful sort of kind of a chocolate brown, bit of a muted brown color. Nice cushion here in the sole. I mean, hence the brand Cushionaire. They do have very nice comfort to them. You can adjust these buckles should you need to. I know in the summertime my feet tend to swell a little bit more here in Minnesota, so sometimes I like the option to wear my sandals a little bit looser, shall we say, especially like my rings too. Thumbs up if you can relate to me on that one. Another Hermes inspired. This is by the brand Cushionaire, but this time it's in this denim version. I am obsessed with this. It has just a mild heel right here, so you're a little bit elevated. You don't really feel like you're walking completely on the ground. Very casual, but also you could wear this for a date night. You can wear this to, I don't know, a graduation party or a baby shower or a wedding if you want something a little bit more comfortable. You know, you're gonna be dancing around a little bit later in the evening. I love these white ones. So crisp, so clean. These are by the brand Dream Pairs. These are so comfortable. Really nice cushion heel here, which I love, especially when it comes to slip-on sandals. I'm getting a little bit older. I know I'm 41, but I actually feel 31. However, I in no way, no how could have a baby at this point. Like, I do not have it in me. I've like passed that stage. A friend of mine, she actually had her first baby and she's almost 42 and she had a seamless pregnancy. Like, it's just amazing. I'm so happy for her. And I'm like, girl, if I could only have your energy when it comes to taking care of a baby and toddlers again, let me know if you can relate to me on that one. But back to these sandals, so fun. Like a go-to, white goes with everything, so crisp. These next two beauties, okay, I am obsessed with Rachel Zoe. If you watch The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, she was on this past season. Just everything about her. She has such a great soul, such a great heart. Like, she's grown on me, especially as she's aged. And you know what? She dresses for how she feels. I think she's like 50 something, but man, she is looking good. But she wears these. In fact, she wears these like even taller and higher than these, but these are very comfortable. These are more doable for me on my 5'7" frame. These are by the brand AthlaFit. Very, very comfortable shoes and excellent price points. I mean, I have AthlaFit shoes, I want to say from like 3 or 4 years ago. And that says a lot for me because I have a lot in rotation because this is what I do. But a shoe that is stuck around in my closet for that long tells me it's good. So I always gravitate towards this particular brand. And the fact that I have a fun little heel here. I have a date night coming up with my husband and I love putting these on with a cute top, maybe a fun little button down, a cute pair of shorts, and just, you know, enjoy ourselves. This next one, I am obsessed with this. This reminded me of Rachel Zoe as well. I love the vibe. I love the rattan. These are also very comfortable, very nice and lightweight. I know that can be deceiving when it comes to these particular types of shoes. These are going to go with everything when it comes to summer. Elongate the legs, really accentuate things. Chef's kiss on these. These last shoes, I love these. In fact, I just wore these to a date night last week. We went out to one of our favorite restaurants here on the lake in Minnesota. I can't remember what I actually wore. Oh yes, I did post this on Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram and Facebook at Andrea Ching Co, make sure that you do because I post on Instagram stories every single day. Easy access to everything, very visually oriented, which is what I love. That's part of what got me into doing fashion. I mean, I've been obsessed with fashion since I was a little girl. Literally, but then I was pregnant for like all of my 30s and you know, it just doesn't feel like that was like the time and place to like start doing what it is that I'm doing now. So if you've been here a minute, this channel actually started as a cleaning channel because at that phase of my life, cleaning was like the name of the game, especially for kids running now. And since then, we have hired cleaners that come to our house every other week and it's like the greatest gift we have given ourselves. My husband and I look at each other and we're like, why did we not do this sooner? But I digress. Back to these shoes. That little tangent was for my OGs that have been along me through this entire YouTube influencer journey, if you will. I wore these on a date night. They look super cute. I loved everything about them. These are going to be the shoe that I gravitate towards when I want to look a little bit more put together. I have something going on. I want to look chic, a little bit, you know, a little bit of that subtle wow factor. Let me know your favorite piece down below in that comments box, and we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.